A very good morning and Assalamualaikum to Encik Hamzah and my fellow friend. I am Rohaida binti Abdullah. My ID number 8011291350620002. My course DHRM and I am from Oumh Cebu Learning Center. Today I am giving a speech with title about the effect of pollution. The air and water supply around us is of almost important to your continued survival on this planet Earth. However, mankind has taken this for granted. As human population increase, pollution has become a major problem and has remained so. It is now time to join hands to protect and preserve on your environment and maybe safeguard human health. Pollution is the contamination of your air, water, and land by harmful substance. Air pollution is by far the most harmful form of pollution. Human activities can release particles into the air from burning fuel for energy. Gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and chemical vapor are also released into the atmosphere. Once released, the further chemical reaction in the air, forming smoke and acid rain. My dear friend, the gas have also slowly damaged the atmosphere and deplete the ozone layer. They trap more heat and make the earth warm and cause the earth temperature to rise. This is known as global warming. One cause of global warming is the greenhouse effect. The condition all over your world can change and thus cause problem to every living thing. For instance, some areas can turn into desert and other parts could become permanently flooded. The overheating of your climate and also choose the polar ice cap to melt nearby, choosing the sea level to rise. This in turn will cause massive floods around the world. My beloved friend, water pollution presents harm to your environment. Daily people dump hazardous material into your river, lake, and ocean. Industrial, commercial, and domestic activities produce solid waste, sewage, oil spill, and toxic chemicals that have destroyed many marine animals and aquatic plants and even caused death to humans who consume the marine animal. the disposed waste may be carried away by the current but will never disappear. The will reappear sometimes in change from or merely diluted. The inability for this waste to break down causes an overload that eventually make your water unfit for use and causes serious harm. Pollution like heavy metal such as mercury are often released into your water. This has made the consumption of fish hazardous to both animal and human. Various species of fish have been found to suffer from tumor and lesion, and their capacity to reproduce have decreased. In view of all this, the public must be made aware of the danger of pollution. We must work in concerted effort with the government to reduce pollution through proper management and processing of garbage and industrial waste. I hope many of you will help to save your environment. Thank you for listening.